They say, "I don't know how to do this, you're just better at it." It sounds innocent. It sounds like helplessness. But it's not. It's strategic incompetence. Here's the trick. They choose when they're bad at things. When it benefits them, suddenly the simplest task feels impossible. Laundry, cooking, paying bills, sending an email. They act like it's beyond them. But notice something. When it's a task they want, they're perfectly capable. This isn't about ability. It's about control. If you step in and do it for them, they've won. You've taken on the responsibility, and they've trained you to expect less. That helpless act is a power move. Psychologists call this learned helplessness by design. It's not forgetting, it's performing. They play dumb so you carry the weight. And the more you carry, the more they sit back. Picture this. You ask them to pay a bill. Suddenly they fumble, confuse dates, make mistakes. You get frustrated and do it yourself. Next time you don't even ask, you just handle it. That's how the trap locks. But here's the truth. Helplessness that only appears in select moments is not real. It's a mask. A way to dodge responsibility and shift the burden onto you. So how do you counter this? Don't rescue them. Let the task sit. Refuse to take the bait. If they mess it up, let them own the consequences. The performance only works if you play your part. Stop playing, and the act collapses. This isn't laziness. It's warfare disguised as weakness. And the moment you stop fixing everything, you see how quickly their helplessness disappears. Have you seen this tactic in your life? Comment, "helpless," below if this hit home. I want to know how many of you have dealt with it. And don't stop here. This is part of a bigger series I call Covert Warfare. The next video reveals how manipulators use phantom exes, imaginary rivals, to control your emotions. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and click the playlist to keep uncovering the tricks they hope you never notice.